Hi guys. So this is a very quick video about syllabus changes that are applicable in audit and assurance paper, that is paper number F8 of your ACCA curriculum. So there are just two slight changes in your syllabus as such, which are applicable from September 2022 till June 2023 windows. So those changes are actually not considerable changes as such. They are not addition to the syllabus or anything as such. It's just enforcing the fact that some ISA 220, which was revised in 2020 year. So the changes are applicable for you guys, which is already included in our lectures and in your Kaplan and BPP textbooks. So without having any delay in this, so let's just very quickly look at those changes. So I'm on the ACCA global website right now, as you guys can see. So I'm going to the students study support resource file. So this page, as you guys know, has all your resources for your students. So I'm going to click on audit and assurance. So you guys know the fact that study support resource will have all your technical articles, your exam team guidance reports, examiners report on the previous papers, past papers, question papers, mock tests, your practice platform area. You have so many other resources that are available for you guys in this student study support resource page. So I'm going to scroll down and I have something called syllabus here. So I'm going to click on this and you can see audit and assurance syllabus and study guide, that is for September 2022 till June 2023. That's the PDF file. So I'm going to just click on that. PDF has been downloaded. So let me open it up real quick. So yeah, this is a 18-page document here, which we do not need to go through all the 18 pages as such. So I'm going to just scroll down. Let me give you a quick idea, guys. So I'll directly go to topic number 10, which is the syllabus area of your audit and assurance. So you guys might be aware that ACCA divides your audit and assurance paper into certain sections. Each section will have certain topics covered in that. There are 6 sections for you guys in audit and assurance. So you have audit framework and regulation, planning and risk assessment, then you have internal controls, then you have your audit evidence related standards, and then you have review and reporting, and last may you have this section F, which is employability and technology skills. This is not really a learning topic as such, but this is more like explaining you guys how the computer based examination will work, how the platform will look like, how is that Pearson view website does look like, what are the options you have in your computer based platform, like highlighters, strike throughs, copy paste options, your spreadsheets, your Word docs, whatever it is. So it's more like a CBE introduction to you guys, computer based examination really. So technically, conceptually, you have 5 sections in your syllabus, and most of the changes, the 2 changes, are only from section B, which is planning and risk assessment. The things that you have to do before you start an audit of audit of a particular financial statements or of an entity. So real quick, we will see the the 2 changes in your syllabus are only from ISA 220, quality management in audit of financial statements. Let's see that. So you have amendments to audit and assurance. You can see here on the top. Let me highlight that. The main changes which have been made to the syllabus are summarized in the table below. So which section and which subject area the changes are related to, and what is the content that is being changed. So you can see only 2 changes are covered for you guys. There are nothing more than this. So let's real quickly go through these things. So first one is planning and assessment. As I told you, section B only you had changes: B1E, B1F, B1G. So EFG, the last 3 sections of B1, you had certain changes. So what is the first change? Wording of the learning outcomes are extended and revised to reflect the new terminology of ISA 220, which is revised in 2020 financial year. So basically, there are certain changes in ISA 220, which is revised in 2020. So the standard pertains to quality management in audit of financial statements. So how to maintain quality while doing the audit of a financial statements. So that revision, when that revision happened in 2020, there are certain terminologies that are changed. Those changes are now inculcated into your ACCA curriculum, inculcated into your ACCA syllabus, and they're examinable for September 2022 onwards. Now, so should we learn something new for this? Definitely no. If you have already enrolled for audit and assurance lectures from me, your lecture number 6.1 already covers these topics. You do not need to do any additional study for this syllabus changes. You do not need to refer to any additional curriculum. So let me switch to our audit and assurance lectures. So this is Global Finex Audit and Assurance lectures index file. So if you guys can see here, topic number 6.1, chapter 6 planning, topic number 6.1 quality control already covers the particular topic on ISA 220. You guys do not need to do any additional study for this. So you guys are already covered for this particular aspect now. And then talking about the next change. So let's see what are those changes. Planning and risk assessment, obtaining, accepting and continuing the audit engagements. So explain the overall objectives and importance of quality management procedures in conducting an audit. This is already covered for you in your syllabus. There's nothing new that you guys need to learn as such. Then explain the quality management procedures which should be in place over the engagement resource, engagement performance, monitoring and remediation and compliance with ethical requirements. All of these are already covered for you. Do not need to learn anything new, don't worry. And planning and risk assessment B1G learning outcome is added to better reflect the requirement of ISA 220. A new additional requirement is added, which is evaluate the quality management deficiencies and also provide recommendations to allow compliance with the quality management requirements. So basically they're just trying to tell you that just like you guys do in case of deficiencies in the control system. So you identify the deficiencies in the internal controls and you give your recommendations. Similarly, here also they are trying to add a new topic, which is where you guys will evaluate the deficiencies in the quality management of the audit, and then you will give your recommendations so that the audit procedures will comply with the quality management requirements as per ISA 220, which is revised in 2020. So what we will be doing is basically just to make sure that this particular topic is clear for our students, and also let's extend that to everybody. So this particular topics which are newly added and where there are enforcements of the existing changes, so these topics we will make a separate video and we will share it on YouTube itself so that every student can get benefited. So this will be added to your lectures as well. Students who have enrolled with Global Finex, we will add this particular video to your ACCA F8 syllabus lectures as well. But the same will also be available on YouTube so that everyone can access it and take advantage of that. Right, so these are the small changes in your ACCA Audit and Assurance paper for September 2022 through June 2023. I hope this is useful for you guys. Please do not take this subject for granted. Do not neglect it. Focus on your preparation. And if you have any doubts, any kind of doubts that you want to approach me and ask me, get clarified from me, you can see there is certain scrolling going down in this particular video here. So you can contact me on WhatsApp, you can contact me on Telegram, you can contact me through our website contact form, you can email me. All the 4 modes of communication are available here. In case of academic doubts, try not to call us on this number, rather drop a message on WhatsApp or Telegram so that we will get back to you when I am available. Okay, so please do not try to ask doubts or anything like that on calls or anything. I might be in a lecture or I might be in a recording studio or whatever it is. So better drop a WhatsApp text and I'll get back to you guys as and when available. Right. So focus on your preparation. Good luck with your exams and keep rocking. Thank you guys. Stay safe. Bye-bye.